Hey pool owners! Today we're reviewing the 2025 new Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner, a next-gen pool vacuum designed for in-ground pools up to 2,150 square feet. With powerful cleaning for floors, walls, waterlines, and drains, plus cordless convenience and 180 minutes of battery life, this robot makes pool maintenance effortless. Let's check it out in detail. This cordless robotic cleaner is lightweight, compact, and built for efficiency. Its robust cleaning brushes and large battery make it ideal for medium to large in-ground pools, while keeping energy consumption low. Full pool coverage, floor, wall, waterline and drain. Cleans every surface in your pool, from the bottom to the waterline, including drains for a complete deep clean. 180-minute battery life. Up to 3 hours of continuous cleaning without worrying about recharging, perfect for large pools. Smart navigation system. Advanced sensors map your pool to ensure every inch is cleaned efficiently without overlap or missed spots. Cordless design. No cables, no tangles, complete freedom to move around the pool. Easy to clean filter basket. The removable filter captures both fine debris and larger leaves, making maintenance quick and simple. Comprehensive cleaning, covers floor, walls, waterline, and drains. Long-lasting battery, perfect for medium and large in-ground pools. Easy maintenance, simple filter access and cordless operation. Premium price, it's an investment for serious pool owners. Slightly heavy to lift when full of water and debris. Overall, the 2025 new cordless robotic pool cleaner is a game-changer for in-ground pool owners. It's powerful, efficient, and hands-free, leaving your pool sparkling without the hard work. Check it out now on Amazon. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more smart pool tech reviews. Relax and let this robot do the work for you.